YouTube. I'm back with another video. It's early in the morning. I got something for y'all from somebody you know very well from my channel. It's something that I've been waiting on. It's something that I'm looking forward to using. So let's get right to it. Package. Yes, sir. We got a package. This is an orange package. You know who that's from. The one and only King Clipper mods. Let's go. We have a mod for a Stylecraft trimmer with the FX blade, if you want to put an FX blade on a Stylecraft trimmer. We have a JRL trimmer that fits an FX blade, if you want to put an FX blade on a JRL trimmer, which is something we're going to do today. Last but not least, if you have a Stylecraft clipper, this is a mod so you can put an Andis master blade on a Stylecraft clipper. We may try that, we'll see. But this is the one I've been looking forward to the most, the JRL trimmer Babyliss FX blade. Let's get to it. We got the Babyliss 245 FX blade. We got this from Capelli Beauty Supply. I've never ordered from them before, so this is something new. So let's give it a try. All right, I messed up. When you put this on, make sure you put the base on the blade first. You have to disconnect. There's a little screw in there. Take the base off of the actual trimmer blade. All right, y'all, I messed up a little bit. So when you take the JRL blade off, you only have to unscrew the screws in the back of the base. You do not have to unscrew these screws right here. So whatever you do, don't do that because it just gave me hell. So when you take it off, only unscrew these back screws. Now when you put it on, it is a little difficult to put on, I'm not gonna lie. Make sure you put the blade on the base first before you connect the base to the actual trimmer. But yeah, here we got the trimmer on, working in quiet. All right, YouTube, I used this for about a day. Let me say this. This blade here, out of the box hits. I did not have to move anything up or back or anything like that. Of course, it's on a JRL trimmer. It slices through hair super easily. You can debulk, you can do all that with this trimmer. I cut my boy Andre. He has some of the thickest hair out of all my clients, and it just sliced straight through his hair, as you can see in this video. It's pretty good for lineups. It's good for all that. I want to say the hardest part about this mod was putting it on. It's a little difficult, but it's not too crazy. You can figure it out. We're barbers. So King Clipper mods, we got another one. Now, is this something that's going to stay on my station? Honestly, it's going to have to be between these two. I got a detailer with a GTX blade on it, and then the JRL with the Babyliss 245 blade on it. I don't know which one I'm gonna keep on my station, but it's either one or the other. I do like the way the Babyliss blade cuts through hair. And when I say cuts through hair, I mean bulk, but it does line up well as well. The only issue is I have a lot of clients with small foreheads. So I have a blade on my A-line that is a lot smaller for those hairlines, but this Babyliss blade is really, really nice. The GTX blade definitely helps with bangs. It just gets rid of the hair so easily. So if I'm being honest, you can't go wrong with either of these. I'm gonna give this Babyliss blade a little more time just to decide which one of these I want to keep on my station. But this is not a bad idea. I do like it a lot. The trimmer body's already great, but adding this mod with this blade does take it up a notch. So if this is something you're interested in trying, definitely leave a comment. This blade was hard to find. For some reason, they're sold out in a lot of stores. But go to Capelli Beauty Supply, that is in Florida. They shipped it out pretty fast. I could call them, check on my order, all that. Great customer service. Maybe I should start doing reviews on barber supply stores because there are a lot of them and there are a lot of great ones that get overlooked. But that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.